Hi, my name's Marilyn from Misty Vapor Graphic Designs, and I'd like to show you this book a client gave me to restore some photos in. So I'm photographing the whole book as a keepsake. So this paper is so nice. I haven't seen any dates on the photo yet, but I will let you know if I do. There's some nice wedding photos. Photo of old home that's still Mission Brown timber. When I look through the photo albums of my parents, there's always stories about how their house burnt down due to either the old matches or maybe the fireplaces, but there's always a story. It's a nice home on the hill. The lady hiding in the plants. Horse yards. These are so faded. They remind me of the Jim Doyle photos. Is it Jim Doyle? Let me know if I'm wrong. Some horse yards. Wedding day, wedding photos. Oh, the old ute. Wedding cake. So far no dates have popped up. The pages are so old, it's falling apart. Day at the beach. Wedding photos. It's amazing. Church. Mission brown paint. Dog. This photo has a different texture to the others. The old truck. Must be working on the farm. Such a nice book, and there's no other pages. What these pages were used for. The end.